राम राम राम। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अविघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदं तमुपास्महे हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत् सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। राम राम राम। स्वागतम सर्वेषां। Welcome to all of you who are attending the class Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Today is our 14th class. My sincere salutations to all the scholarly elders who are in this journey with us, and also thank you all of you for attending this session. Today's session, as we had announced in the last class, today and next week, these two classes will be practice sessions from Vishwam Vishnu Satkara till the first 31 slokas that we have taught. Just before we go there, we announced this in the last class also. There is a new course on Vyoma, free course which has started, Foundations of Sanatana Dharma. Many of you have already registered and have attended the course last Saturday. This is a really treasure course for all of us. So I request, if any of you have missed registering for the class, please register. And if you have not, so the recording of the class is also available. You can see the recording of the last class, and then this happens every Saturday, 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Please attend the course. This talks some of the basic things of Sanatana Dharma. Also, this is also by a treasure person, Professor Sri B. Mahadevan, who is currently a professor at IMB. Of course, lot more is you can hear about him and also about the course if you go through the recording of the first session. I request all of you to register for the course and attend the session. Thank you. With that, I wanted to, before we start the practice session, there were some participants who were asking many doubts on the how do we pronounce Anuswara. There were many questions also, so I thought, let me recap what we did in our first class, maybe quickly touch upon it, and we then go to the practice session. Just before we go there, I want to ensure that all of you are able to see my screen. Amogha, Rashmi, screen Drishyate va? You are able to see my screen?
Sir, Drishyate.
Thank you. Because I guess last week some of you also had given the feedback that you were not able to see the screen. So I just wanted to ensure it is seeing. I'm hoping that all of you are able to see, which is good. Okay. So Anuswara, what we did was I have highlighted, unlike in other shlokas, in this shloka I've highlighted only the Anuswaras. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum. That's how it is pronounced. If we split, when we join and say Shuklambaradharam Vishnum. So whenever an Anuswara is followed by Vakara, it is Shuklambaradharam Vishnum. There is a another half Vakara along with Anuswara that comes Shuklambaradharam Vishnum. That's how it comes. Similarly, whenever there is the Anuswara is followed by Ya, Paramam Yo Mahattejaha, that's how it is. That's how it is split. But when we join and say Paramayo Mahattejaha, that's how it comes. Paramayo Mahattejaha. This is only for Va and Ya, Vakara and Yakara. In all other Kshamita, in all other, if an Anuswara is followed by a Vargiya Vyanjana, when I say Vargiya Vyanjana, it is Ka Kha Ga Gha, Cha Cha Ja Jha, Ta Ta Da Dha, Ta Ta Da Dha, Papa Bhava. Any of these letter, what happens is the last letter of that Varga, which is the Anunasika letter, comes. Let's say, for example, here Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam. So the Anuswara is followed by Cha. Cha. So the last letter, Anunasika letter of Cha is Cha Cha Ja Jha Nya. Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam. So Cha Cha Ja Ja Nya. Nya comes there. Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam. That's how it comes. You can see the similarly in the next line. Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet. So the Anuswara here is Prasanna Vadanam. Then it is followed by the Mahaprana dha. The Anunasika letter, that is the last letter in that Varga is ta ta da dha na. So it becomes Prasannavadanan Dhyayet, Prasannavadanan Dhyayet. That's how it comes. Now there was also a question, sir, is it that in all every time when the Anuswara comes, an additional Nakara comes? No, it is not. It is the respective Anunasika letter of that Varga. Let's say, as you saw here, Cha Cha Ja Ja Nya comes, here Na comes. That's how it is. So when we go to the shlokas, you will also see more examples. I will re-say that again. I will retell all the things that we said now. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum becomes Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum. Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam. Prasanna Vadanan Dhyayet. Similarly here, Paramayo Mahattejaha, Paramayo Mahattapaha, Paramayo Mahadbrahma, Paramayah Parayanam. That's how it is seen. That's how it is pronounced. We will see more examples when we go to the practice session also. Hope many of the doubts, questions, clarifications is cleared about the Anuswara. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. With that, we will go to the shortly the Purva Pitika Dhyana Shlokas. Rashmi.
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। अथ ध्यानम् क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लिप्तासनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तन्त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम् नमः समस्तभूतानामादिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलङ्कृतम् चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये।
Dhanyavadah. So with that, we will go to the practice session. One small change. I have requested our dear panelist Amogha to see the name and call out the names who to practice. So you can start raising your hands. Whoever wants to practice this, chant the shloka, you can start raising your hands. Amogha will call out the names. As you hear your names, you can unmute yourself and start chanting the shloka, and then if there are any corrections, we will make the corrections. Now, while we are doing this, there are some questions which are the clarification. Some comes that, sir, anyhow today and this week and next week is a practice session, so I will raise my hand, I will tell the shloka, after my practice can I log out? I suggest, my request is that you stay throughout the class because of couple of reasons. One, so what should I do when the others are practicing? Anyhow, we are not learning the new shloka today. One, when others are practicing, when others are telling the shloka, as you do in all the other classes, please you also tell the shloka or chant the shloka loudly. What it helps is, number one, if you are making any mistakes, it will help you to correct yourself, or when I make any corrections, you can make those corrections. Number one. Number two, what will also happen is, let's say if in this whole class, if we repeat one shloka 5 times, maybe it becomes manana for you. The shloka, you might memorize the shloka by in this class by listening 5 times or by chanting 5 times. That's number two. Number three, which is all the more important, is that by telling at least one nama once, it gives so much of punya. Let's imagine if you are telling so many shlokas 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or several times, you will get so much of punya. So my request and suggestion is that when others are practicing, you be on unmute. You be on mute, and you also chant the shloka along with whoever is chanting. And when your turn comes, you practice after unmuting. And also, as I said in the last class, please, I encourage all of you to practice between today and next class. If there are more people, we can also extend by one more class. Amogha, over to you.
Rekha Ganesh, I have unmuted you. Rekha Nagesh, sorry. Rekha Nagesh.
Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkarah, first look.
Okay. Next, Kanakavalli STP. Kanakavalli STP, I have unmuted you. You are on self-mute. Okay, next, Priya Muralidharan. Priya Muralidharan.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkarah.
Vishnam Vishnu Vashatkara Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Buddha Krit Buddha Vidbhava Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Good try. I guess there were a couple of things. It is Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaraha. Okay, I can teach once, you can repeat once. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaraha.
Vishnu Vashatkaraha.
I can hear na there. It is not Vishnam.
Vishwam. Vishwam.
Correct. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaraha.
Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkaraha.
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu.
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu.
You can give little more stress on the Mahaprana. Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhridbhavaha.
Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhrit Bhut. Can you repeat it once again?
Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhridbhavaha.
Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhritbhavaha.
Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Uttamam. Very good try. Definitely you can practice more, especially on the Mahaprana. Good. Next.
Okay, thank you.
And Shailaja PS. Shailaja PS. You are on self-mute.
Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktana Paramakatiki Avyaya Purusha Sachi Kshetrajno Charayeva cha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam. It was good. Thank you. Next.
Sudha K.
Same shloka. Bhutatma Paramatma cha.
Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetrajno Akshara Eva cha.
Very good. Kshetragno Akshara Evacha is correct. But when we join and say it is Kshetragno Akshara Evacha. Otherwise, you have to split as Kshetragno. Give a little pause, Akshara Evacha. So how we taught was Kshetragno Akshara Evacha. That is correct too. That's good. Okay. Thank you. Otherwise, all other things were correct. Ram. Next.
Pramod KM.
योगो योगविदान् नेता.
राम 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 महोदय.
राम राम राम. योगो योगविदान् नेता.
राम राम राम. योगो योगविदान् नेता प्रधान पुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंह वपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
Both the voices were very good. Only small thing, there is a small pause on pradhana purusheshwarah. There is no pause there. Yogo yoga vidanneta pradhana purusheshwarah. It was not big thing, but it was definitely good. Very good. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
फणिश्री कविरायनी.
राम 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 राम.
Ram ram. Ram ram. Sarvah sharvah.
सर्वः सर्वशिवस्थाणुः भूताधिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभव प्रभुरीश्वरः.
Uttamam. In the first line, it is Sarva Sharva Shivasthanuhu. What you said was also correct.
सर्वः
Sarvaha Sharvaha.
सर्वशिवस्थाणुः.
Very good. That's all. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Sarva Sharva Shivasthanuhu. Bhuta Dharni Dravya. It was good. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवादः.
रुशिल श्रीनिवास.
Same shloka. Sarva Sharva.
सर्वशर्वशिवस्त्राणुः भूतादिनिधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः.
I heard a little rakara in sthanuhu. Stranuhu I heard. Not sure you pronounce that way or not. Sarva Sharva Shivasthanuhu. There is no rakara there. Can you do it once again? Only the first pada.
सर्वशर्वशिवस्तानुः. Sta, right?
Stha.
सर्वशर्वशिवस्तानुः भूतादिनिधिरव्ययः.
भूताधिर्निधिरव्ययः. भूतादिनिधिरव्ययः.
भूतादिनिधिरव्ययः.
No. Bhutadhir daka da then rakara then ni. Bhutadhirniधिरव्ययः.
भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः. भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः.
The cute was also very nice.
सर्वशर्वशिवस्तानुः भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः.
Next.
श्रुति हरीश.
हरि ओम.
Hari Om. Swayambhuhu.
स्वयंभू शम्भुरादित्यः पुष्कराक्षो महाश्वनः अनाधिनिधनो धाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः.
Uttamam. Just two observations. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah. There is half shakara comes. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah. That was, you can stress little more. Then the Anadi Nidhano Dhata. I heard it as Anadhi. There is no Mahaprana there. It is Alpa Prana. Anadi Nidhano Dhata. Okay. Can you repeat once again?
Okay. स्वयंभू शम्भुरादित्यः पुष्कराक्षो महाश्वनः अनादिनिधनो धाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः.
Uttamam. Next.
हरि
Hari Om. Amogha. Next pa.
आरती.
Aprameyo Hrishikeshah.
प्रमेयो ऋषिकेश पद्मनाभो मरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्तस्व शविस्तविरो ध्रुवः
just one small Hrishikeshah and then Sthavishtah Sthaviro Dhruva. Can you repeat only the second line?
Vishwakarma Stavistah Staviro Dhruvaha.
Uttamam. Very good. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Aditya.
Aditya, same shloka. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah.
अप्रमेयो ऋषिकेशः पद्मनाभो मरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्तविष्ठस्तविरो ध्रुवः.
Uttamam. Just a small suggestion for improvisation. This was the shloka chanting was very good. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah. There has to be a differentiation between sha and sha. Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Amar Prabhu. Otherwise, everything was good. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवाद.
Venkataraman. P. Venkataraman.
अग्राह्य शाश्वतः कृष्णः लोहिताक्ष प्रतद्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिकगुप्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः. Next.
धन्यवाद.
Yadugiri के
अडियन्
ईशानः
ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणः ज्येष्ठश्रेष्ठ प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भः माधवो मधुसूदनः.
Small input is one is of course on the Mahapranas. If you can give little more stress, and I heard it as Prajapat. I couldn't hear Prajapatihi clearly. There is slight, I guess, the mother tongue influence. If you can correct that, otherwise it was perfectly okay. Very good, very good.
Okay.
Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवाद.
Namaste. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead. Ishwaro Vikrami.
Ishwaro Vikrami Dhanvi Medhavi Vikramakramah Anuttamo Duradharshaha Kritagnya Kritiratmavan.
Uttamam. Very good. All the Mahapranas were perfectly said. Also the Visarga. Atyuttamam.
Thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Uma के
अस्तु जी.
Suresha Sharanam.
सुरेश शरणं शर्मा विश्वरेतः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्यालः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Thank you. Next.
Lavanya ये
राम राम राम.
Ram Ram Ram. Ajas Sarveshwarah.
अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषकपीरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिस्पृतः.
Very good. Uttamam. Only the second line. Vrishakapiramayatma. That is Sha Dirgha is there. Vrishakapiramayatma. That's the only thing that was. Can you say only that pada? Second line starting.
वृषाकपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिस्पृतः.
Vinisritaha, not smritaha. Sarva yoga vinisritaha. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Rajalakshmi Krishnamurti.
हरि ओम.
Hari Om. Vasur Vasumana Satyah.
वसुर वसुमना सत्यः समात्मा सम्मिदः समः अमोघः पुण्डरीकाक्षः वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः.
Uttamam. Only the ta and the sammita samaha. Ta there. Ushakritihi. and that's the only thing that you have to note. Amogha, that's also, there is not ha, amoha, amogha. Those are the things that you can give little more stress, and that will be okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Dhriti.
Rudro Bahushira.
Rudro Bahushira Babru Vishvayoni Shuchishravah Amrita Shashvatastanuhu Vararoho Mahatapaha.
Tamam. Need to see little, just small things. Babruhu, Rudro Bahushira Babruhu, Visarga is there. Vishvayonihi Shuchishravah, Dirga is there. Amrita Shashvata Sthanuhu, Sthadi Mahaprana Sthanuhu, Vararoho Mahatapaha, again Visarga. It is Dirga is there. Can you chant the shloka once again with all this?
Rudro Bahushira Babruhu Vishvayoni Shuchishravah Amrita
Shravaha. Shuchishravah. Va Dirga is there.
Okay. Amrita Shashvatastanuhu Vararoho Mahatapaha.
Mahatapaha. Va Dirga again.
Mahatapaha.
Very good. You are reading through the Sanskrit text or the English text?
Through the English text.
English text. So wherever on the letter A, if there is a line there, it means it is a dirgha. Mahatapaha. As you can see here also, Mahatapaha. Shuchishravah. Okay. So that will be a dirgha. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Thank you.
Saumya Madhu.
Sarvaga Sarvavidbhanuhu Vishwakseno Janardanaha Vedo Vedavidavyangaha Vedango Vedavitkavihi.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Krishna Narayan.
Namaskaram.
Lokadhyakshah.
लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षः धर्माध्यक्षकृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहः चतुर्द्रंष्ट्रचतुर्भुजः.
Uttamam. Very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Lakshmi Ravikumar. Lakshmi Ravikumar, you are on self-mute.
Ram, can you hear me?
Ram, I can hear you. Bhajishnur Bhojanam.
Rajishnur Bhojanam Bhokta Sahishnur Jagadadijah Anagho Vijayo Jeta Vishvayoneh Punarvasuhu.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Next, I don't know the name. It says ASKSVM. ASKSVM. You are on self-mute.
Namaskaram. Upendro Vamanah Pramshu.
Upendro Vamanah Pramshu. Amoga Suchirurjitah. Atindrah Sangrah Sargah. Dhritatma Niyamo Yamaha.
Uttamam. Very good. Only thing is here I heard the Suchihi. It is Shu. Amogha Shuchirurjitah. Shu. That's all. Otherwise, it is perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. You can mute you.
Mahalakshmi Balaji.
Vedyo Vaidya. Vedyo Vaidya. Mahalakshmi Mami. Vedyo Vaidya Sada Yogi.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste. Vedyo Vaidya Sada Yogi.
Vedyo Vaidya Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhu Atindriyo Mahamayah Mohosaho Mahabalah
उत्तमम् उत्तमं धन्यवादः नेक्स्ट
धन्यवादः
Ambales or AMBALS.
नमस्ते महोदय
नमस्ते महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यः
महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यः महाशक्तिर्महातिथिः अनिर्देशवपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महातृदृक्
Uttamam. There are two Mahapranas. I guess I couldn't hear. You can stress little more. Mahabuddhir Mahavirya. Dha there. Again Mahadridrik. Dridrik there. Otherwise it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyawadaha. Next.
Mahesh Kumar VK.
Mahesh Kumar Maheshwasaha.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Maheshwaso Mahi Bharta.
Maheshwaso Mahi Bharta Srinivasa Satangatihi Aniruddha Saranandaha Govindo Govidampatihi.
Uttamam. One small correction. It is Suranandaha. Aniruddha Suranandaha. Can you tell only the second line?
Aniruddha Suranandaha.
Very good. Uttamam.
Thank you.
Next, Neil.
Shubhasayam Arya.
Shubhasayam. Marichirdamanohamsaha.
Marirchirdamanohamsaha Suparno Bhujagottamaha Hiranyah Nabhasutapaha Padmanabha Prajapatihi.
Uttamam. Padmanabha Prajapatihi. Since it is Visarga followed by Pa, Padmanabha Prajapatihi. That's all. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay.
Padmanabha Prajapatihi.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Chitra Tyagarajan.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can
Hello?
hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead. Amrityu Sarvadrik Simha.
Amrityu Sarvadrik Simha. Dhata Sandriman Spiraha. Ajay Bhumashnamasasta. Vishwadapna Privarikha.
I could hear you very feebly, but I could hear the complete shloka. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam.
Sundar Mahadevan.
Guru Guru Tamo Dhama.
Guru Tamo Dhama Satya Satya Parakramaha Nimisho Nimishasradvi Vachaspati Duranjani.
I will teach once. If you can repeat, that will be good. Guru Guru Tamo Dhama.
Guru Tamo Dhama.
Between Guru and Guru, there is one rakara. Guru Guru Tamo Dhama.
Guru Tamo Dhama.
Satya Satya Parakramaha.
Satya Satya Parakramaha.
Nimisho Nimishasragvi.
Nimisho Nimishasragvi.
Vachaspatirudaradhihi.
Vachaspatirudaradhihi.
Tirudaradhihi.
Rudaradhihi.
Vachaspatirudaradhihi.
Vachaspatirudaradhihi.
Uttamam. Very good. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Sachin.
Same shloka. Guru Guru Tamo Dhama.
Guru Tamo Dhama Satya Satya Parakramaha Nimisho Nimishasragvi Vachaspatirudaradhihi.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Very good. Next.
Mohana Valambe.
Namaskaraha Mahoday.
Namaskara.
Agrani Gramani Shriman
न्यायो नीता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात्।
उत्तमम् उत्तमं, धन्यवादः।
विपिन विपिन वि
आवर्तनो
निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः संप्रमत्तधनः अह संवर्तको वह्नि अनिलो धरणीधरः।
उत्तमम्. Just two inputs. Samvritaha, which is correct, which we also chant it as Samvritaha. Samvritaha. Since Anuswara is followed by Vakara.
आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः संप्रमर्दनः अह संवर्तको वह्नि।
Visarga is there. Vanhihi. Aha Samvartako Vanhihi Anilo Dharani Dharaha. There is Visarga. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Padmanarayan.
सुप्रसाद प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वभुक् विभुः सत्कृता सत्कृतः साधुः जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः।
Uttamam. Just two inputs. Suprasada Prasannatma. That is one thing. The Pakara comes there. Suprasada Prasannatma. That is one thing.
सुप्रसाद प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वभुक् विभुः.
That was good. Second one, Satkarta.
सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुः जहुर्नारायणो नरः।
जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः.
जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः।
धन्यवादः.
Thank you.
Next.
Deepalakshmi Hariharan.
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते नमस्ते. असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा.
असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टशिष्टकृच्छुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसंकल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः।
उत्तमं. वेरी गुड. अत्युत्तमम् आसीत्. धन्यवादः. नेक्स्ट.
राधा राममोहन.
नमस्ते नमस्ते
नमस्ते.
वृषाहि वृषभो विष्णुः वृषपर्वा वृषोधरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तश्रुतिसागरः।
Uttamam. The only small input is Vrushodharaha. There is no Mahaprana there. Vrushodharaha. I heard it as Vrushodharaha. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. It was everything was perfect. All other letters were perfectly okay. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Narasimha P. Narasimha P.
हरि ओम.
हरि ओम. सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी.
सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः शिपिविष्ठः प्रकाशनः.
उत्तमम्. अत्युत्तमम्. Very good. It was nice.
Thank you.
Next.
Maithili Kesavaswamy.
हरि ओम महोदय.
हरि ओम. हरि ओम. ओजस् तेजो द्युतिधरः.
ओजस् तेजो द्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः ऋक्षुदः स्पष्टाक्षरो मंत्रः चन्द्रशुर्भास्करधृतिः.
One small. Ojas tejo dyutidharaha. Dha there. Dyutidharaha. Prakashatma pratapanaha. That was correct. Riddhaha. Riddhaha spashtaksharo. That is riddhaha. Riddha spashtaksharo mantraha. Can you repeat that?
Sure. Ojas tejo dyutidharaha prakashat.
It is half the then ya. Dyutidharaha.
द्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः रुद्धः स्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रः चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः. I'm sorry, could you please say that once again, sir?
चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः.
चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः.
Chandramshuhu Bhaskara Dyutihi. There are, if you want to split easily, Chandramshuhu Bhaskara Dyutihi. Dyutihi you got in the first line also. Chandramshur Bhaskara Dyutihi.
Chandramshur Bhaskara Strutihi.
You again it is same. Half the yakara. Chandramshur Bhaskara Dyutihi.
Chandramshur Bhaskara Dyutihi.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you.
Hari Sundareshan.
Same shloka. Ojas Tejo Dyutidaraha.
ओजस्तेजो द्युतिधरः प्रताक्षात्मा प्रतापनः ऋद्धः स्पष्टक्षरो मन्त्रः चन्द्ररांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः.
Uttamam. Couple of things. Maybe I will teach. Then you can repeat once. Ojas Tejo Dyutidharaha.
ओजस्तेजो द्युतिधरः
Prakashatma Pratapanaha.
प्रताक्षात्मा प्रतापनः
Prakashatma Pratapanaha.
प्रकाश आत्मा प्रतापनः
Riddhaspashtaksharo Mantraha.
ऋद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रः
Chandramshurбhaskaradyutihi.
चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Definitely very good.
Namaskaram.
Thank you. Namaskaram. Next.
Rajalakshmi.
Amrutamshudbhavo.
नमस्ते.
Namaste.
अमृतांशुद्भवो भानुः शशबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः.
Uttamam. It was definitely good. There is only small things. It is Amrutam Shudbhavo. I heard it as Amrutan Shudbhavo. Nakara doesn't come there. Amrutam Shudbhavo Bhanuhu. That was one. And again down Aushadhan Jagatehu doesn't come. Cha cha ja ja nya, as I said in the beginning of the class. Nya Aushadhan Jagatas Setuhu. Nakara doesn't come there. Aushadhan Jagatas Setuhu. That's all. It comes only by practice. Otherwise, it was perfectly right. You did the good effort of pronouncing all the Mahapranas and also the Anuswaras and Visargas. Dhanyavadah. Very good. Next.
Rav US. You're on unmute. We can't hear you, Mahodaya. Okay. Next. Rudresha C.
Bhavya Bhavannatah.
भूतभव्य भवन्नाथः पवन पावनो नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्ता कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः.
Uttamam. Very good. The only thing is in the first word, Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannatha, there are 4 Mahapranas there. All the 4 Mahapranas. And then Kamaha Kamakrit Kantaha, there is Visarga there. Can you chant the shloka once again?
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannatha Pavana Pavano Nalaha कामः कामकृत्कान्ता कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः.
Don't get tense. It is easy. All of us make mistakes in case if it is. So again, kamakrit kantah, kamaha kamakrit kantah. First time you said this correctly. Kamah kama pradah prabhuhu. You said first time when you said it said correct. You say chanted correctly. Can you chant the second line and once again?
कामः कामकृत्कान्तः कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. Next, we'll go back to shloka 1.
Ashok Gudsurkar.
Yes.
First shloka. Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkarah.
Om Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkarah. Bhut Bhavat Prabhu. Sorry. Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkarah. Bhut Bhavat Prabhu. Bhutakarat Bhuta Bhradbhava. Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavana. Once more I will do. Vishwam
Sure.
Vishnu.
With the visarga there. Vashatkarah.
Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkarah. Bhut Bhavat Prabhu. Bhutakarat Bhuta Bhradbhava. Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavana. What doubt I'm having, that is a
wait. Before we go there, Vishnu Vashatkaraha Visarga is there, and similarly Bhuta Krit Bhuta Bhridbhavaha, there is also Visarga there. Yes, please go ahead, Mahodaya. You had some doubt.
This Sha and Sha that just now you told, how to differentiate pronunciation. Sha and Sha.
Sha. The Shakara, which is Shankara, if it is here, I can show here where it is.
Keshava.
It is Keshava. That's all, right? Here, Vishnuhu, Sha. When you say Sha, it comes little from the inside of your mouth. From inside, I don't want to get into the grammar of Varnotpatti. That's why I'm not getting there. Trying to say only in the pronunciation. Sha, Shankara, Sha, Vishnuhu, Sha, Vashatkarah. Can you make the difference? Shankara, Keshava, Vashatkarah. Can you make the difference? That's how we make the differences.
Keshava, Vashatkarah.
Uttam. Dhanyavada. Dhanyavada. Next.
Rajesh Bembu.
Putatma.
You are unmuted. You are unmuted. We can't hear you, Mahodaya. The next, Smita Sane. Smita Sane.
Namaste.
Putatma Paramatma.
Bhutatma Paramatma cha Muktanam Parama Gatihi Adhyaya Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetragnya Shara Evacho.
Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Very good. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Subramanian, yes.
Mahodaya. Namaskar Mahodaya.
Namaste. Yogo Yoga Vidanneta.
Yogo Yoga Vidanneta Pradhana Purusheshwarah Narasimhavahu Shriman Keshava Purushottamah.
Just couple of inputs. Yoga Vidanneta. Yoga Vidamneta, which is also correct, but while we are improving our pronunciation, Yogo Yoga Vidanneta, that was one. Pradhana Mahaprana Pradhana Purusheshwarah. Can you chant only the first line again?
Let me chant once more. Yogo Yoga Vidanneta Pradhana Purusheshwarah नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
So again, vapuhu, the differentiation between pa and ba. Narasimha vapu Shriman. That was there.
नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
So when you're reading, when you're chanting, just give the stress only on that letter, because Narasimha vapu Shriman came correctly. It became Kesavah, Keshavah. Keshavah Purushottamah. Correct.
Keshavah Purushottamah.
Dhanyavadah.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Anish Kolluri.
सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुः भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः.
Atyuttamam. Very good.
Madhumita.
धन्यवादः.
Swayambhu.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Swayambhu. स्वयंभू शम्भुरादित्यः पुष्कराक्षो महाश्वनः अनादिनिधनो धाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः.
Uttamam. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah. There is visarga there. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवादः.
Sobin Saini.
आप्रेम नमो नमो महोदय.
नमो नमः. अप्रमेयो हृषीकेशः.
अप्रमेयो ऋषिकेशः पद्मनाभो अमप्रभु अमर प्रभु विश्वकर्मा मनुष्यत्व विशिष्ट सत्वीरो ध्रुव.
Dhruva. I will teach once. Maybe you can repeat. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah.
अप्रमेयो ऋषिकेशः
Keshah Hrishikeshah.
ऋषिकेशः
Padmanabho Maraprabhuः.
पद्मनाभोम्र प्रभु पद्मनाभोम्र प्रभु
विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा.
विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा
ध्रुवः.
शविष्ठ सविरो ध्रुवः.
It is half sa and then tha mahaprana. Sthavishthasthaviro dhruvah.
स्विष्ठस्थ सवरोद्रः.
Little practice, little more practice, you will definitely get that. So keep practicing, you will definitely get that. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Lakshmi Narasimhan Raghavan.
Adiyen Agrahyah.
अग्राह्य शाश्वत कृष्ण लोहिताक्ष प्रदर्दनः प्रबुदस्थिरघृद्धाम पवित्रं मंगलं परम.
Couple of things. Agrahyah Shashvatah. Agrahyah Shashvatah Krishnah. Agrahyah Shashvatah Krishnah. Lohitaksha Pratardanah. Can you repeat?
अग्राह्य शाश्वत कृष्णः लोहिताक्ष प्रदर्दनः
प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्.
प्रभूतस्त्रिगुद्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्.
Uttamam. Mangalam. There is no mahaprana there. It is not mangalam. Mangalam param. Uttamam.
Mangalam
Dhanyavadah.
param.
Dhanyavadah. Next.
Savita Sajjan.
Ishanah.
Savita Sajjan, you are self-muted.
ईशानः
There are two systems. One of the systems. Yes, you can chant now. Ishanah Pranadah Pranaha.
ईशानः प्राणः
Again, mute one of the systems.
We'll come back to you. Maybe you can mute and maybe we'll come back to you, or maybe in the next class. Next.
CR Saravanan.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskara. Ishanah Pranadah.
ಈಶಾನ ಪ್ರಾಣದ ಪ್ರಾಣೋ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಗರ್ಭೋ ಭೂಗರ್ಭೋ ಮಾಧವೋ ಮಧುಸೂದನಃ.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Priya Krishnan.
Hello, namaste. Namaste,
Namaste.
Mahodaya.
Namaste. Ishwaro Vikrami Dhanvi.
अस्तु. ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुरादर्शः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्.
You can also say it as Kritagnya Kritiratmavan. That is also correct. Dhanyavadah. Uttamam. It was right.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Dhanyavadah.
Srivatsa Sais. Srivatsa, yourself muted.
Suresha Sharanam Sharma.
सुरेश शरणं शर्म विश्वरेता प्रजाभवः अह संवत्सरो गाल प्रत्यय सर्वदर्शनः.
Uttamam. Very good. The only just small one, Pratyaya Sarvadarshanaha. Additional sakara comes there because visarga is followed by Pratyaya Sarvadarshanaha. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Last week just last week
Chandrika Parashuram.
This is the last anyhow. Okay. Others can mute.
Chandrika Parashuraman, you are on self mute.
Namaste Mahodaya. Ram Ram.
Namaste. Ajas Sarveshwara Siddha.
Ajas Sarveshwara Siddha Siddhi Sarvadirachyudaha Vrisha Kapirameyatma Sarvayoga Vinishrutaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Amoga, we will stop there. Today, I guess we are on time. Dhanyavada for all the people who practiced today. I guess I didn't count the number though. I guess there were 50 plus people who practiced today. And also one observation, I could be wrong, that many of these people are who are practicing on all the other classes also. My suggestion is all the people who have not practiced today, please raise your hands. Next week we will also practice. People who have practiced today, please don't raise your hands. Please come to the class, don't raise your hands, so that give opportunity for others to raise hands and practice. Dhanyavadah. Like in all the classes, please continue your prayer. In fact, thank you for many of you. Many of you had sent me a personal message saying last week my voice was not right. Many of you have prayed for me. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Also had expressed concern. Can you please go to the doctor? Maybe could be corona. By God's grace, by all of your prayer, hopefully I'm back now. Hopefully my voice is back. This was not corona. This was a normal cold. Dhanyavadah. Please continue your prayer for the world Yoga Kshema. Please chant Vishnu Sahasranama every day. If you are not able to chant, at least listen to Vishnu Sahasranama every day. That itself will bring lot of punya for the entire world. Dhanyavadaha, lokaha samastaha, sukhino bhavantu. Ram Ram Ram. Namaste.